Hello everybody and welcome to yet another episode of setting up Ubuntu. In this episode we're going to cover how to put up mail accounts, DropBox and instant messenger, which I will use Hotmail. Yes, so first off you go to this icon up here and you go to mail. Normally it says set up your mail now, but as I've launched this program before, I haven't got that option. So you go up to, and maybe it will prompt you if you haven't set up any. It will prompt you with this: go into File, New, and Mail Account. And yes, I will put up a mail account. I will say JStoon because that's my username, but I could have put Jacob Stein, but I like to keep things with the same name. So my email address, and yes, you can send me a mail anytime you want if you have any questions, so keep that in mind. I'll maybe put it in the description box. And then my password, your password in this case. Then continue. It will look up and say yes, it is in the ISP database, and there's no need to if it doesn't pop up like this, you should maybe look at the manual settings, but and maybe your passwords encryption, but send me a message or write a comment if you are having trouble with this. So just create an account and voila, you see it is updating. There we go. Here are all my tags, and if I launch up Firefox, yeah, I've been browsing a bit. So yeah, you see that I've got these tags right here. Oh, the new mail. What is alright? And as you see, all of these are right here, so that happens automatically, which is very nice. A couple of things you want to change is if you go to Edit and Account Settings. If you go then to Composition and Addressing, there's a problem because it starts your reply. If you reply to a mail, it starts beneath it, which means when I receive an email and then I reply to it, it will like put the message above and then my reply beneath it, which isn't really normal behavior. And yeah, so put my reply above the quote, which is the reply quote, what the other user wrote to you. And then if you have a signature, which I will show you how to add later, then you can just choose which one you would like, and I would like below my reply. So and I don't know why this bug is here, but you can't see the OK button down here, so you could Alt F10 to maximize it, or just put it up in the top right here, then press OK. Alright, adding a signature, I think this will, yeah, if you go to Edit, if you'll mark your email address and then put on Edit, Account Settings, and then you can use You can use HTML if you want, or yeah, anything you would like. So sent from my bird client, Jacob Stein, whatever. I normally just write that manually, but yeah. So now that's done, it wasn't that hard, was it? Which just shows that Ubuntu is getting very, very user-friendly. It isn't all about the commands and stuff, but yeah, it's just great improvement. And next, DropBox. I think that, yeah, you will have to launch your browser, which is by default Firefox, but you can always download Chrome or Chromium, whatever, just in the software center. What was it? Jesus Christ, I forgot what I was doing. Yeah, Dropbox, that's right. Then you could go to dropbox.com, and then you just press the big blue button, download Dropbox, and then you will choose, I don't know which architecture you're using. I'm using 64-bit, but choose the one of your desire, and then open with Ubuntu Software Center. It will install it for you. Just follow the guides, and it isn't that hard, actually. You just put in your email address and stuff, like any Windows computer or whatever. Setting up your chat or instant messenger, you just press the chat, yeah, and then this account assistant will pop up. Then I will choose, Facebook chat. That's kind of funny. IRC is really cool. So there we go. No, that's all for now. And then, yeah, that's all. This is pretty cool, actually. If you have other computers, like someone in your family that uses Ubuntu, you could actually write instant messages. Oh, as you see right here, it's kind of funny, it just logged in. You can send instant messages to your other Ubuntu users, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I just apply. So yeah, pretty cool and easy as well. Actually, I haven't tried out putting in any of the others, like Facebook chat and stuff, but I'll presume that they are just using your Facebook login and stuff. Yeah, I think that's all for now. I'll do another episode today and upload it too. As you'll probably know, I won't take any retakes, because it will take ages to make these videos, because I'm always messing up something, and so they're just one takers, and I will upload them. If you want me to clarify anything or make it. If there's something you don't understand, I'll just write a message and I'll actually just do the video again, just for your sake. Yeah, I think that's all for now. Wireless connections actually pretty cool and easy. You just choose some networks and write in the code, and if you want to change the DNS, dynamic name server, for example, the Pirate Bay is locked on many ISPs, internet providers in Denmark. So normally I actually go and change the my DNS so to Google servers instead of my IP ISPs. What you go is you mark your the account, and then the internet connection, you go edit, and this will pop up. You'll go to IPv4. Not many are using the version 6 yet. IPv4, and then to use Google, it's really not hard to remember. It's just 8.8.8.8, and then, because it's always good to have a secondary, you just put a comma and then 8.8.4.4. I'll put that in the description. Normally it's on automatic, but you automatic DHCP address only. Then you have the opportunity to put in the DNS server and search domains, whatever. I'll just cancel it because I haven't changed anything. And the exact same if you're using a wired connection. Go to edit, and then you go to the IPv4 settings and just change it to the exact same option 2, and then the DNS server. Easy pie. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. And by the way, I don't hope you mind the background music. I'm always having music in the background, and I thought it would be cool to have it in the videos too. So see you next video. I don't know what I will do, but you'll figure out if you watch it. So see you later. Bye bye.